Just an extra tip to make sure that this hose stays on your new Rancilio steam wand. Push the wand up as far as it goes so that you have a lot of space to work with here. Put your clamp on ahead of time. The clamp is below. Then we're going to push this down as far as we can go over this hump here. The hump is what's going to keep the hose from scooching off. And the clamp is going to hold the hose on the other side of this hump here. So I'm going to need two hands, one to hold the steam wand and one to put the hose on. Now I have got the hose over the hump, as you can see there. And I'm going to scooch this clamp up over and clamp here on the bottom side of the hump. And now you can see that the clamp is on there below the hump on top of the hose, and it is attached securely. If I pull up on the hose, it can't go anywhere because the clamp is holding it on the other side of the hump.